Welcome to Work Travel Agency, where opportunities are endless and the world is your office. Whether you're looking for a remote job, interested in creating a product or service, or simply want to explore the world while earning and learning, we've got you covered. In this video, we're introducing you to an incredible range of opportunities where you can turn your dreams into reality. We are thrilled to announce the opening of unlimited remote job opportunities. This is your chance to join a dynamic and fast-growing community of innovators, learners, and world travelers. But before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about what makes Work Travel Agency unique.
Are you local? Can we build a partnership? Check landing page. Can we set up the local landing page for you? Let me know. Comment below.
First up, let's talk about learning at Work Travel Agency. We believe in continuous learning and self-improvement. That's why we offer a wide range of online courses and project-based learning opportunities. Whether you're looking to develop new skills, enhance your existing knowledge, or guide into a completely new field, we've got something for you. Our courses are designed to be flexible, practical, and accessible. And here's the best part. If you're passionate about education, you can apply to become a manager of these courses. Head over to check out our offerings and apply for a management position. Next, let's talk about our community. At Work Travel Agency, we're more than just a company. We're a global network of like-minded individuals who share a passion for learning, earning, and traveling. Our community onboarding groups are the heart of this network. As a manager of these groups, you'll play a key role in welcoming new members, guiding them through the onboarding process, and ensuring they feel supported every step of the way. Interested? Apply now. And for those wondering, what exactly does free travel for qualified members mean? Well, for members who meet specific criteria, we offer travel opportunities that are fully funded by the community and our partners. It's our way of rewarding dedication and contribution. Behind every great community is a great team, and we're proud to introduce ours. At Work Travel Agency, our team consists of professionals from all over the world, each bringing their unique skills and perspectives to the table. From developers and designers to marketers and managers, we work together seamlessly to bring you the best remote work experience possible. Our workflow is simple and efficient, designed to maximize productivity while allowing for flexibility. We believe in clear communication, mutual respect, and continuous improvement. And with our remote-first approach, you can join our team from anywhere in the world. We also use the Wix dashboard task management system to streamline our workflow, ensuring that tasks are clearly assigned and progress is tracked efficiently. Now, let's talk about communication, a key element in any successful organization. At Work Travel Agency, we have specific rules for communication depending on your role and community. Customers. We prioritize clarity and promptness in all customer interactions. Our goal is to ensure every customer has a positive experience with our services. Partners. We value collaboration and transparency with our partners. Open communication channels help us build strong, lasting relationships. Employees. For our team members, we emphasize mutual respect, regular check-ins, and constructive feedback. Members. For our community members, we encourage active participation, sharing of knowledge, and supporting one another. By setting clear communication guidelines, we ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards common goals. But we're not just about setting rules, but also about continuous improvement. That's why we're always open to feedback from our community. We believe that the best way to grow is by listening to those who are directly involved. If you have ideas or suggestions on how we can improve our onboarding process or any other aspect of our services, we want to hear from you. Together, we can make Work Travel Agency even better.
Hey, I just uploaded the video, last one. Are you a subscriber? Did you notice we're doing free pages for you? Are you local community or may your friends interested in local promotion or travel agency flash your city or town? Why not? Let me know, comment below.
Let's also talk about customer service, an essential part of any business. At Work Travel Agency, we're committed to providing top-notch customer service through automation and management. We use advanced tools to ensure that every customer query is addressed promptly and efficiently. Our automated systems help us manage high volumes of inquiries, while our dedicated team of customer service professionals ensures that every issue is resolved to the customer's satisfaction. We've set up key performance indicators, KPIs, and smart plans to track the progress of every member, offering opportunities to increase monthly bonuses based on performance. For our members, we have a robust support system in place. We've set up key performance indicators, KPIs, and smart plans to track progress and ensure that every member is achieving their goals. Whether you're looking to improve your skills, advance your career, or simply make the most of your travel opportunities, our support system is here to help you succeed. And that's not all. We also offer property management and development opportunities. Our online agency is designed to help you manage properties remotely, from scheduling inspections to automating reports and keeping vendors and landlords happy. With API integration from various partners, our system is built for efficiency and ease of use. Plus, our virtual agent feature allows applicants to book property viewings seamlessly. Ready to take on the challenge? Visit online agency Work Travel Agency to learn more. In addition to our internal opportunities, Work Travel Agency also offers partnership opportunities with external organizations and businesses. These partnerships allow for expanded services, resource sharing, and the creation of new initiatives that benefit our entire community. Now that you know what Work Travel Agency is all about, it's time to take the next step. We're currently inviting applications for a variety of positions across different departments: store manager, online courses manager, community onboarding groups manager, properties management agency manager, SEO manager/assistants, CRM managers/social media assistants, product development managers, referrals program manager, area managers, video producer. No matter your skill set or experience level, there's a place for you at Work Travel Agency. And if you have a vision for your business model, we're here to support you every step of the way. We even offer free website landing pages to help you test your potential. To apply, simply leave a comment in our community groups or email us at UK@Work Travel Agency. We're excited to hear from you and look forward to welcoming you to our team.
Can you check the local landing pages offer free for you, for your community, for your group, for your friends, for your business? Comment below. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey with Work Travel Agency today. Learn, earn, and travel. The world is yours to explore. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest opportunities. See you in the next video.